A stay of removal is used to ask the government not to carry out the order of removal because you're applying for something else. Like, for example, if you have an order of removal and you're married to a U.S. citizen and you're eligible to file for benefits based on that, that would create a situation where you're immediately eligible to get a visa based upon the speed with which they'll adjudicate the paperwork. In that particular situation, because the person could be arrested at any time and taken out of the country, you would file a stay of removal. Now, when you file a stay of removal, several things can happen. One, it could be denied. Second, it could be approved. But in the vast majority of cases, when you file for withholding of, when you file for a stay of removal, DHS doesn't even adjudicate it. They generally let the process proceed forward, and only if forced will they make a decision one way or the other. But it's important to file for the stay of removal, because oftentimes, even though they're not going to grant it, they're going to allow the person to stay longer because there's this other benefit, like marriage to a U.S. citizen. So the stay of removal protects the person from being taken out of the country earlier than necessary, because in many cases, the person that's immigrating has to leave the country anyway because they came to the U.S. without documentation in the first instance. And so it is a form that's filed with the Department of Homeland Security. Like I said, I see them approved on occasion and I see them denied on occasion, but the vast majority just sit there. And as long as it's pending, you technically can't be deported. So that's what a stay of removal is all about. And it's not granted by a judge, it's granted by ICE.